Hey guys, welcome back. And today we get into one of uh, important statistical function, that is rank. Okay, so when I'm talking about rank, what it does is it is used to rank or categorize the provided values or group of cells that you have selected uh, in ranking order. Yeah. So it will rank or categorize those provided data values in ranking order. It usually uses descending order by default. So when I'm talking about descending order by default, it means the highest or the topmost number will be ranked as value one, and so on and so forth. Yeah. So the rank function is important for calculating the difference between the scores, or the we have this ratings, sales, or expenses. Yeah. So this is one of the important function which will help you to understand where your values is placed within a set of values. Or I have used this rank function usually when I'm trying to find my top 5 or top 10 or bottom 5 or bottom 10 based on the requirement that I get from my sales head. So, so it is specifically used to rank uh, a given set of values. So let's understand the syntax first, then we'll get into an example. So rank, and then you have the bracket. Then you need to specify the number that you want to search for, or specify the number which rank should be calculated. Yeah, so I have the number here. So I'll just denote it by NO, or write the number entirely. Yeah. Then I have to give a reference uh, or a range of cells that where I want to search this number and give a ranking on. And then on an optional side, by default it is descending, but then it will be order. It could be in the form of ascending or descending. Yeah. By default it is descending, and then close the brackets. Yeah. So number is where which number you want to search in the given range. Yeah. In this given range, and whether you want to rank this particular number in an ascending order from this range or descending order. Yeah. So let's try to understand it in a form of an example. Suppose I want to rank this 5 salespeople in terms of their order. So let's say rank. I want to search for this particular number, that is 750. Uh, Comma, I need to specify the range. So suppose I select this 10 cells or 10 rows. Yeah. Then I'll close the bracket. As you can see, the order is ascending or descending, which is optional. By default, it is descending. Okay. So you need to be very careful while doing this. And let me make this range constant because we need to move this form, copy this formula. So let me copy this for all these 10 numbers. Yeah, till 30, and I'll say it will be. Now you can see the highest sales was done by this 3,500 row, 3,500 of sales by the 10th row, which is the second one. So this is the second, which is around 3,100. third is 2,500. So you can see it has automatically given me the highest to lowest numbers based or ranking based on the cells that I have selected. Yeah, and by default, it is giving me in a descending order. Now, if I want to find out in a way of ascending, then I need to specify it to be ascending. So what I need to do is I need to select, add a comma, and say ascending or descending by specifying 0 or 1. So by default, it is 0. Now I'll specify 1 for ascending. I'll close the brackets. Yeah. And I'll press enter. Yeah. So let me just drag this formula till down. Now the one has changed. You can see the number 1 is given to the lowest number, that is 400. Second is the second lowest, that is 700. Yeah. So it has started from the lowest number. If I would have not specified it, if I would have not specified it as 1 in the ascending or descending, if I specified 0, it will give me the rankings in descending form, starting with the highest. Yeah. I could also find the ranking based on certain number which I want to search. So suppose I want to search for 2000. Yeah. And I want to find the rank. So is equal to rank. I want to find this number, right? And I want to search it within the sales. Yeah. So you can see 2000 is sixth rank in this entire sales data or the sales numbers that we have. Okay. Now just have a look. I will put a number which is not available within the sales values. Yeah. So if I try to put that, you'll find it will give me an error called any. Okay. So you need to be careful when you are ranking certain things that the number should be available in the list or it will give you a NA error. Yeah. So if the supplied number is not available in the range, then it will give you an NA error. Now you need to always understand that rank function only works on numeric value, dates and time. So I can use this rank function. Yeah, I can use it on dates as well. So you can see it is not working on one. So I need to move it to dates. So let's see if it works for dates. You can see it is working for the dates. Yeah, so the highest date is given the number as 1, 2. Same way, if I choose to put it in ascending order, then it will give me the lowest date or the oldest date to be the number 1. Yeah. And the recent date would be the number 10. Yeah. If I try to use the same formula on a text, let me do it for text as well. It will give me a error value because you cannot apply rank on text values or text data. Yeah. So in a nutshell, rank is used to find out rank of a specific number in a given range. Yeah, it cannot have text as to calculate the rank, but you can use dates, times, and numbers to as a range to find the ranking. Yeah. Hope I was able to make the concept clear. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get all the future videos that I upload on YouTube directly. And that will also keep me motivated towards creating this free contents. Uh, have a nice day. Thank you so much.